grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. Life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm back, baby I'm back. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, Forex on the side, live it up on the attack, baby I'm back. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, no cap, only got one, so you better go, live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm back, baby I'm back. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, Forex on the side, live it up on the attack, baby I'm back. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, no cap, only got one, so you better go, live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm back, baby I'm back.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Let me start my Zoom here.
Recording in progress.
Morning, King.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sunrise. I'm good, thanks for asking. Did I sleep well? Yeah, I did. New York session yesterday. Did anyone go back into GJ? Because he eventually pushed up.
No.
No. Oh, I saw you took it.
Huh?
I saw you took it.
I actually didn't. My girl did.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, Aldrin. She was like, oh, it's moving, it's going up. We're in profit. The more she showed it to me, the more pissed off I was. But at the same time, I'm like, okay, well, at least you're getting it. If you know that you should take a buy right there. Man, oh man, yesterday was one hell of a day. Today is another day. We move forward. GJ, right now we're in a range. Gold is also still in a range right now. Gold should be beautiful today, whichever way she wants to go, whether break above 1985 or break below 1974. Should be interesting. Wait a minute here. We're gonna crush today. London and New York. This is not our first rodeo. Good morning, Sophia. You on YouTube today? Look at GJ. GJ buys Ruby nice above 174.300. GJ is in this range right now.
You are like this? No. No.
Good morning, King. Good
morning.
Good morning, everyone else.
Morning.
Oh, that's early. Or should I say good afternoon, good evening, or good night?
Good afternoon.
Where are you located again? Wow, I always forget.
Sydney, Australia.
Oh, yeah, Australia.
It's located in the heart of the financial capital.
Do you trade Sydney session? I don't even know what time that is.
No, markets. Usually it's pretty dead.
Oh boy. So it's all about New York and
London.
Yep.
Ooh, okay.
Unless I'm trading like stocks, but yeah, I don't bother trading stocks anymore.
Yeah, not worth it. You're buying and holding. Alright. What's next? I know.
Man, if it's a bull market and you're in the stock market, you just buy and hold it and it goes crazy.
Yeah, buy and hold or buy in the dip. When you have a huge sell-off. Getting Tesla under 200. Well, yeah. Low. What am I doing now?
Did any of you ever buy Bitcoin?
Let me tell you, Bitcoin. I was introduced to Bitcoin by a friend of mine. And it was a client really, because like I told you, I was in finance. And I started purchasing Bitcoin at one point. I owned it was how much was Bitcoin at that point? I think it was like 8,065. I think it is around that. But Ethereum, I could afford that one. I had at least over 50 Ethereum at one point. So during that time, I did well, but I was just buying and selling and not really holding. I just hope that I had held, but I did extremely well then. But I had eventually sold out, really. So that was it. But I did well from that Doji coin because I've held that one. So I really did
I can't
extremely
believe
well
there's so
from.
many that go up like Dogecoin. It's like a picture of a dog.
Mm-hmm.
I
No,
can't believe that's worth money.
no, it's because it was backed by Elon Musk, so that's why he pumped it up to $1 something, and then after then it dropped heavily and never recovered. Yeah, but I'm all out of crypto. I used to even trade crypto, like I'm trading Forex right now over on KuCoin at Binance. And when that whole metaverse came in, I was highly active in that too, which I still am because I also do have those pre-ICO because I do that Richard Hart what is it? Is it the hex? What is it? Hex? Not hex. I didn't catch hex. What is that new Pulse X? I'm yeah, invested in that one. I'm waiting for
Hello.
that launch.
Adamı yok.
And if you heard about this other one that I locked in for 3 years for a free ICO, it's called IPO. What's that called?
పాలైనా పెట్టు తిన్నా.
Because the thing is, the price that we get it at that pre-ICO, when it launches, in other words, you're already in profit. You basically need for it to launch. So yeah, I'm actively in that space, Wall. What about you?
No, I never did Bitcoin, but I remember hearing about it back when it was like $1,000. Like, what was that, Silk Road or something like that?
I didn't know about it then. Wish I did. Shoots. I would have been a millionaire like King right now. Or should I say billionaire?
Hey man, I'm a millionaire.
Right. Now you're coughing. Okay, I remember what I was doing. Where are the phones now? One. That's phone number 2. Oh boy. What's the number 3? There you are. No, that's not.
Looking at Go right now, Go should come down some more.
Did you catch gold yesterday after we left?
No, I didn't.
I left the market myself. When I came back, I was so annoyed.
Good rejected this minor support here.
Mm-hmm.
15-minute supply. If I was looking to take a trade right now, I can take a sell from here simply because of what we have right here. If we can start crossing this support right here. But as usual, I'm gonna wait until London open.
I think there was there a break of structure prior? I think it's also, yeah, there's a...
The most recent support we have right now is right here. We've not really broken it, but
Yeah.
the higher time frame structure has not been broken yet, which is this support here, 1974.
Yeah. Yeah. I see that around 19. So mine is showing, yeah, around the sun. Yeah. Definitely.
Good morning, Calvin.
Oil did like a 250-point move.
Yeah, after we took the sell.
Yeah, shit.
After we left everything. It was one of those things.
Favorite Star Wars movie? I was never a fan of Star Wars.
I've never watched it. Ever.
It always bugged me how they shoot laser beams, but it's so slow that they can block it with a sword. It's like, what the hell's going on?
Yeah, I was never a fan of Star Wars. What the hell? I'm not a 70s baby. What? I'm not that old. Do I look that old? 70s? Sheesh.
I'm 70s, late 70s. I'm not that old. What are you talking about? Old?
No, someone said I'm not a 70s baby on YouTube.
I'm 70s, baby. Late 70s. And I'm one young chick over here. I guarantee you I look younger than that person. Really?
I'm 80s baby. Mid 80s.
Mid 80s? Okay. Okay, dokie. Okay.
So if you're here and you were born in the 90s, you should call me uncle.
Uncle?
Call me Uncle Abe.
Uncle.
King, when is your birthday?
I was born 1985.
I'm in the month and date.
Oh, I was born in July. Next month. My birthday is next month. I'm a Cancer.
Uh,
You said what?
I said okay.
Oh, I thought you said same. Did I watch Indiana Jones movie? Oh yeah, absolutely. I'm gonna go to the movies when the new one comes out. I'm a fan of Indiana Jones.
Mm. Mm.
The man here, do you guys remember this game? Mario.
Of course.
Oh man, I love that game so much. I will even steal from my parents to freaking go play Mario. I will skip school. Like, and then when we get to the game house, everybody would just be placing bets. And I was like, shit, we were like 11, 12 or 13 or so. Placing bets in the game house, playing Mario. And then when I lose all my money, I'll be looking all sad going back home.
Oh boy.
Skipping school at 11, 12, 13 years old. That was crazy. Just to go play Mario.
Oh boy.
You seen the new Mario movie?
Man, I didn't like the trailer, so I was like, nah, I'm not gonna watch this.
Okay, I need to watch it. The people are saying it's good.
Oh, they're saying it's good?
Yeah, that's what I heard. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure whoever wrote the story for Mario is on drugs because it's about mushrooms and going down a toilet bowl.
It probably is. Where do I live? I live in Texas. This is a tricky spot right there. Did I buy the Forex tester product? Yes, I have it. It's good for backtesting, honestly. But then again, backtesting is different from when you're trying to trade live. It's not the same. I tell people that trading is hard, at the same time it's not, but the only thing that really makes it hard is because as humans we have emotions and we tend to get our emotions involved. For example, when we're trying to take a trade, maybe you see a setup and then you got too impatient, you got FOMO, and then boom, you took the trade. So our emotions as humans is really what makes Forex hard. That's why when you're backtesting, you can just keep backtesting, taking trades, you win. You see that, oh, okay, now this strategy works. And then you try to trade that same strategy, and then you found out that, damn, well, why is this not working? Like, I was just backtesting this and I was killing it. I killed it, but now I'm trading live and it's not working. It's emotions. You're doing, something wrong.
Trading is one of those like performance-based occupations. You can make a lot, but it's based on your performance.
You can make a lot, you can lose a lot.
Yeah. It's the hardest, easiest thing you can do.
Mm-hmm. It's hard and it's easy at the same time. It's crazy. That's why it is never gonna be for everyone else. Like for everyone, because it's a very risky industry. So like, if you do not like taking risk, even if you try this out, after a while you're just gonna quit. And it just simply means being an entrepreneur is just not for you, because no matter the industry you try to go into and you want to start a business, it's still a risk. It's still risk. You're still taking a risk because you don't know what's going to happen. You do not know if you're going to become successful like this or if you're actually going to fail. But for people like me that, or other traders that have eventually made it in trading, they didn't give up. That's the only thing that differentiates, people like me and other Forex traders out there that eventually made it. We are where we are today because we did not give up. That's the only thing that differentiates us from the other people. I don't know the name of this scientist because, like I said, I wasn't that great at school, but I think there was this scientist that he was trying to, I don't know, I think was it electricity, or I can't remember, but what I do remember that he failed 999 times.
Maybe it's Thomas Alva Edison.
Huh?
Thomas Alva Edison.
Oh, yep, that was it. 999 times. And then when it got to the 1,000 time, that was when he got it right. That was when he got it right. But imagine if he had failed, and I mean, when he was failing and then he just gave up. But just look at it, 999 times. But you've been trading, maybe you've blew 5 accounts. Well, let's if we go with 10 accounts, and you complaining, you just blew 10. You just failed 10 times compared to 999. So when you give up, then that's it. That's it for you. And you don't even know that what you gave up on was actually what you were meant to do. So giving up should be out of the question. You fail, get back up and try again. You fail, get back up and try again. As long as you putting in the work. If you're putting in the work, now I'm not talking about people who just keep on trying, they're just looking for an easy way out. I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about people that are actually putting in the work and trying to, learn how to trade, figure this trading thing out, but they're still struggling. Those are the people I'm talking about. As long as you putting in the work, man, don't give up. Am I in gold? No, I'm not. Somebody said Elon Musk. Elon Musk probably failed a lot of times too. There's no wealthy person out there or rich that didn't fail. Not once, not twice, not 3, not 4 times, like multiple times. But they didn't give up, they just kept on going. Yeah, with him, because I said I'm not taking, I stopped taking pre-London session trades. I've just been focused on taking London open trades. Would I have taken a sell here? Probably, because I think I have at least a let's see, so maybe stop loss right here. I have at least a 1-to-1. I just don't trust pre-London trades anymore, so I just wait for London open. We'll see what GJ will do today. Because aside from Monday, this whole week London session, GJ has been struggling. The only way I will take GJ right now is GJ sells right now is if we start crossing below this support right here. if that happens, she should come back down towards 173,850 or probably 173,750 and push back up because she is still bullish. She's not bearish. But as of right now, we're just trying to see if we're gonna break above 174.300. That's where I'll start looking for my buy entry.
Feel like with her we can take over nations, yeah. We can take a trip whenever, girl, you need a vacation. Number one bad girl, killing everything like on a mission. Girl on a mission. Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out.
So the market structure on gold right now is that we're from lower low, from lower high. So gold should continue falling here, and we just broke this low now, so we might get a retest right here and then see gold coming back down. And if we do come back down to 1974, right? If we do come back down to 1974, gold should push back up from there because 1974 is a previous resistance area turned support. So if we do get back to 1974, we might see gold push back up and just create a double bottom. Might see it do something like this. Push back down, reject, push back up, come back down again, and then boom. Make it something like that. Is NFP today? Yes, NFP is today. But to tell you guys the truth, what I want to see here, and I hope this happens so that we can take a sell and then we get it set up. What I would like to see is for us to push back up. We test this and we start falling again. Back to this support. That's what I would like to see. You remember when NFT was massive? Yeah. My opinion on Andrew Tate, I think he's a cool dude.
Yeah. Oh. Ooh, yeah. Amaru, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh, she mine. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh, yeah. She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm feeling for all your attention. Yeah. Hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah. All of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, it be alright. Yeah. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh, she might give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much going on in that mind, let me help you. Yeah. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away together. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh, yeah. Just wanna call on you.
Overall, gold is still bearish in a higher time frame. I passed out. No, I was on my phone. I was on my phone. here. Oh. So this is what I'm seeing here on gold right now. So we came back. Came back to this demand area here. Oh, what the hell? What am I doing? All right. So we came back to this demand area here. Now, I'm not expecting us to break off of this right the rip. I'm expecting us to still come back down and retest this this demand over here for us to continue to push back up. Yeah. And if we eventually end up breaking this right here, then I'm expecting us to reject this 1974, 1975 area. So we either get a buy from this demand, or if price just continue pushing up and we reject this right here, that high right there, that first supply that we have formed over there, that's where I'll take a sell. So my sells is gonna be either up at this supply if we reject that this supply, or check buys if I have a buy entry right at this 1978 area, 1977, which is this demand here. Then I'll take buys from there. Quick buys back up to the supply at the top, just in case if we do not break the supply, and I'll take buys from down here. I would rather like the buys from this second demand here / support than taking it somewhere over here. But we'll see what happens. So that's really my take on gold right now as it stands. Man, I didn't mean to delete that. This demand here right at 1974 is very clean. It's cleaner than the one we have here. No. Oh. I want GG to break above 174, 174, 280. Yeah, 174, 280. I'd like to see GG break above that. Until then, there could be room for sales, especially if we break below 174.049. Got like 15 to 25 pip range. Is there any rule during your supply and demand? So when it comes to supply and demand, you can find your supply and demand zone on all time frames, right? So it's gonna depend on your on the time frame that you draw your zones. I like to draw mine on the 5 minutes, but sometimes I do look at the 15, I look at the 30, I look at the 1 hour, right? So sometimes I'll just draw it on the 1 hour or the 30 minute or the 15 minute. So if I draw, for example, if I draw my supply zone on the 1 hour or my demand zone on the 1 hour, when I go back to the 5 minute, it's gonna look different. It's gonna be bigger. So it depends on the time frame. Let me show you a quick example. For example, GJ right now, 1 hour. You get your 1 hour supply here. This whole area. I said supply, demand. Right, you get your demand here, 1 hour demand, most recent. If I go back to the 5 minute, you see how big this thing is. See how big this thing is. But if I'm to draw it on the 5 minute, it's not gonna be this big. Right? Because on the one here on the 5 minute, we could reject anywhere here. We could reject anywhere here, but if I have it drawn on the 5 minute, it's not gonna be this big. And if we go back to the 1 hour, the first demand we had before we had this, it's like this. All right, this was the previous 1 hour demand. You see how we had this boom, nice engulfing candle. We came all the way back down and we test this 1 hour demand. Now let's go back to the 5 minute and see what this looks like. Now we see what this looks like. Here on the 5 minute, we just marked up this whole resistance area and the support all together. That's what we're looking like here. We went back up, boom, 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 came all the way back down, we tested the demand and we pushed back up. So, if I have my chart smaller, obviously the zone will be smaller. So it depends on the time frame. All right, so depends on the time frame. Oh, did I take the last bullish or the last? So yeah, good question. So when I did it on the 1 hour, I used the bearish candle. Started from the top all the way to the bottom. Right, that's how we draw it, like this bearish candle here. Down. Right, all the way back down to the bottom. That's how you draw it. You use the previous candle before the engulfing candle. Or the bullish candle, the same thing when you do your supply. Previous candle from the top to the bottom. Open and close of that candle. Good morning, voice from Jerry. Bigger is better, we've heard. Yeah, in some cases, yeah, true. In some cases, true. Because there have been times, that's why you guys will see me sometimes when I have my demand or supply zones drawn, I will still have use a tool like this horizontal ray tool for example. Right, because if I did this previous 1 hour demand we have here, if I was going to draw it here on the 5-minute.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'll have it drawn like this. If I was going to draw it on the 5-minute, I'll have it drawn like this. Now you see how we came back but we did not retest the 5-minute demand, right? We did not tap into this 5-minute demand. So sometimes when I have a setup like this, I'll just have like this horizontal ray tool. I'll put it right there at the resistance. So all I'm simply looking for is maybe a retest of this resistance. So we actually come back to this 5-minute demand and then tap it before we start pushing up. So in some cases that happens, price will just reject a off of a higher time frame demand or supply zone. Yeah, so that happens sometimes. Don't worry, Sunrise. Tomorrow, Saturday, you can ask whatever question you want to ask. All right, during the webinar, we do it every week. So.
Right here by your side forever. And no matter the ups and downs, I'll be right here by your side.
So if I use 1 hour demand here on this gold trade, we are at this demand, 1 hour demand. 1 hour demand / support. So gold could push back up anywhere here. There's a 5-minute demand here, and also we have a 1 hour demand. Now, if I'm going to draw this demand here on the 5-minute, this is how I would draw it. Real like this. This is how I'll have it drawn. See the difference? You know, so sometimes when you have it drawn on the higher time frame, it's good. And, you know what you're looking for. You know where the possible rejection is, especially when you're following market structure. Because if we do not come all the way back down to the support at 1974 and we reject anywhere here, it just simply means we had price decided to create a higher low before they push back up. Well, I don't like to use the higher time frame demand zones. It's just a bit too big. I don't like it. All right, it's 2 o'clock right now. London session just opened. Yeah, sunrise, basically. You will learn more tomorrow. I will have a buy entry right there if this stays rejecting. I'm expecting NAS to push up, looking at the 30-minute time frame. Rejected the demand, 30-minute demand. We come back, top it, and push back up. We put where I'm gonna take a GJ sell. Yes. Wait a minute, does this candle have a top wick? Nope, not top wick. I need a top wick. gonna go use the restroom real quick, but before I go, let's do this. And on gold, I'm gonna set an alert. Gotta go use this. So put the alert up there. Just in case the good entry happens. You know what? I must set it on GJ as well. I doubt GJ is gonna fall, but we'll see. Put it right there. And we watch good. Delete this a lot here. And why is US oil? US oil is stuck. Okay, there we go. You say US oil sells? I don't see sales right now. All I want to see on gold is that we actually start breaking this minor resistance here.
Guys, do you see GJ? It's sold out.
Interesting retracement though. Hope you all took your partials or stop loss.
Guys, they're in trades?
Yeah.
Nope.
Nope. Couldn't catch it, it was too fast.
Yeah.
But it's retracing, so I'm wondering whether is this even considered.
Which one? Is it
GJ. It's retracing back to the starting point, so I'm not sure whether to take it or not.
It's not.
That's
I
very weird.
know.
Because technically, even though we are bullish, so yeah.
I think TJ
that's the
still wants
issue.
to fall a little bit more.
Yeah, it should fall a little bit more, but I'm worried about the bullish momentum.
No, don't be. Just wait, really, right?
Again, those that took the sells, I hope you all took at least some partials. Because yeah,
Oh, you want
it might go
to?
back all the way to the supply zone.
Mm-hmm.
You might go all the way back again to tap it and then come back down again. Because the resistance is holding, at least for now.
Yeah, I don't buy into resistance. That's a no-no.
No. You sell. Of course. Of course. Yeah.
I don't even sell right there. Do I wait for the break and retail?
Yeah. Wait for it to tap it again, I guess.
And sometimes
Maybe-
even a third time. It all depends on what's going on.
Yeah. Lately, the resistance and what's the other one? The support zones are very, very critical lately. Once you see the resistance and the support hitting that range, you should expect either the buy or the sell already. In between, I'm not going to take it.
Market is, I don't know. I'm not trying to
Going
get
back up.
pulled out.
It's going back up.
I'm gonna tread these waters carefully today.
For real.
I think King must be eating good, man. Always going to the toilet. I'm going to ask him what he ate.
Maybe he's just puffing, that's all.
Oh, that's true. Could be.
I know.
Yeah.
There's no
He did
good
say
food over
restroom.
here.
He did say restroom though.
He always says restroom.
I took a sell on gold when there's no volume. I tell you, it's worse than looking at paint dry.
Oh, I had sales
I
on
still
gold.
got my
over
10 pips. Yeah, I still got my
Huh?
10 pips, but wow, it took so long to see the 10 pips. That was like,
I still think gold is gonna drop down to about, I don't know where it wants to retest it. Maybe down to this whole, what's that, demand area?
yeah,
1975. I could be wrong though, but
again, yeah.
that's what I think. I don't know, because this whole area is a resistant area. I mean, it's really at, what was this, my 1 hour or what? I label it because somehow I don't even remember. Where's my 1 hour resistant area?
The issue I think we're having right now is everything went up last night. I mean, yesterday.
Yeah,
So
significantly.
yeah, so I mean, for me, yesterday. For you, is this morning. So there's the issue of, are we bullish or bearish right now? I mean, on the longer time frame.
Well, gold on the 5 minutes. I don't know. It's tricky, but I would be thinking about pulling back a little bit more. But then that's gold for you. I did catch it last night, though. I had a few position in gold, and I got up, and my portfolio was green. So
like DC in
I got
Zoom
out
was
so
asking
quickly.
to its oil cells is breaking the resistance, so yeah, it's not
there was
safe.
still some.
Not safe.
Oh,
It's breaking
wasn't bad.
US oil is just breaking the resistance right now.
I had really small positions, like little really positions. But I kept compounding basically. So, well, nothing bad.
Who is just not doing anything right now.
What's happening with the
He
GJ's
just is
just
ranging
doing
at a small little area.
dance.
They have no idea what they're
Mhm.
doing.
Yeah, it's just dancing. Gold is doing the same thing. Usoil looks like it want to break out, but still at resistance. 4 hour. I don't know. Where's Tanel over there? Let me see. Is Tanel online?
He's on Zoom.
He is?
I'm not sure whether he's around sleep. Maybe he's taking a nap.
Yeah, let me see. Where is he? Is he on the chat over here?
Yeah, I see his internal. Yeah, he's
You
around.
there?
Yeah, he's there.
Tanel, where are you? Speak.
His new self.
Yeah, let us know what's going on in the market. King stepped away, so
King is quite away here.
he's probably on his way back. Tanel, where are you? Tanel, where are you?
I do hope last night's, this morning's New York session wasn't that bad for you all. I mean,
Hope
we did
so
take a loss,
for everyone.
so don't take it too hard. We had it worse last time before you all joined. We had 3 losing trade in New York. So
Who
that was bad.
It's a market for
All
you.
in gold, though. I don't know that back then when King was doing pre New York and pre London trades.
London?
That's where he decided not to do the pre London trades because it was affecting him. That's the reason why.
But then New York just did us dirt because all we needed to do was to really wait, but then it stopped you guys out. I wasn't in it, but then it stopped us out because obviously I'm part of it. And yeah, all we had to do was to wait, I got back in. That would have been sweet. I was even in the market. I closed my computer and that was it. When I came back, I was like, man, look at that. Oh my goodness.
If you guys are in GJ, just take note that it's got like a minor resistance at the top. So if it breaks that, it's probably going to stop us out.
I think that's major resistant on the 4 hour. But that's around 174.18 to 174.30. I mean, that's my zone. I could be wrong, but that's my zone. Nothing for me right there. I just needed to make a lower high. So then I could possibly get into a sell. Janelle, where are you? I feel lonely over here. It's just me and Paul speaking. No Charmaine, no Faye. No mouthpiece today?
Yeah, after this morning's trade, the last morning's trade, I think they're taking a break.
We all need a break.
Charmaine did mention it.
Maybe that'll be it out. New York session.
Did you, did you guys get my message on Discord? Both messages?
Yeah.
Pulse?
Yeah.
I'm not on Discord. I mean, I am, but
About GJ.
what about it?
Yeah, DJ, you saw the sell.
No. I sent
What do you
them
say?
to move us to BE. Wait a minute, you guys didn't get that?
Never got that.
No, they didn't. Not that.
Wait a minute.
But I did tell everyone hope they took their partials because it ran right back up.
Oh yeah, it's not showing. Wow, Discord is freak, man. I hate it when Discord does this. Sometimes it just be frozen on my phone.
Hmm.
Yeah, I didn't send it.
Okay.
Yeah, when this candle, cause when I saw it, I got in as well. And when this candle started pushing back up, I moved my SL to be. I'm not playing with this, especially GJ.
No, not GJ, not all in the morning. Ooh. Yesterday.
It can still come down though. If it does, I'll get it again. Oh, let's see this thing is can somebody verify for me on Discord? I just
Yeah, I saw it.
edited the chart.
I saw it. I saw it.
What's USL doing? Nothing. Good is very, very tricky now. We might break this thing and come this slow and then come back down to 1974. 1975, 1974, we could break this minor resistance and push back up.
I was telling the group that's.
I think we just let it break first, because I'm looking at it. It doesn't know what to do.
You didn't know what to do, huh?
Yeah, just let go break or do something before we take an action. Because looking at it, it looks like it's supposed to be a sell.
Yeah, that's my thing. Today's just a waiting game too. I mean, all about being patient.
GJ comes back down, that's where I'll get in again.
Okay.
This go sells tempting though.
Did not see you last week. Told me you will make it up to me. Just wanted you closer, closer.
Well.
Electric feel when you brush up on me. Oh, think I got a shot like a free throw.
Alright, she's breaking below. Oh, Sophia, didn't you take a sell earlier or you didn't?
Oh no, I didn't. I was over here busy taking care of something else, but it just didn't meet my criteria. So, I mean, it was there. Don't get me wrong, but because I already drew it up and I knew that it was heading for the 174 or 175 because I was in sales overnight. So I got up and I was good this morning. So I figured I already got out, made my profit. I'm not getting back in because that's one thing Tanel teaches me. Like you made your money. Why do you want to give that back?
Yeah.
So it was, I had a few positions overnight. Well, just little ones. So it wasn't much of a great profit, but it was good profit. Profit is profit. Green is green.
I'm expecting Usoil to break 71.100.
Yeah, it's an uptrend over here.
That's correct.
Yeah, possibly push to 72. 20.
I need to download Discord
Go
again
and
on my phone.
enjoy yourself. There's the US. Wow, how are you? Yeah. There's a huge resistance up there too, so it's gonna be doing its
GJ
whole
is gonna
dancing
push.
around. Yeah. Oh, the huge resistance there too. It's gonna be hard to break. I mean, who knows what they may do? There's a 4-hour resistance right up here.
You know, the crazy part was that that initial push that we had, she dropped like 8 pips.
Mm.
Yep.
For her to get back to this entry.
No, the New York session is really looking a little shady over here. I mean, London session.
Up to what range gold will fall?
Huh?
Up to what range gold will fall?
I'm just at 1974. I don't think we're gonna break 1974, and if we do, we look for more sales. But I don't think she's gonna break 1974.
Yeah, I was telling Wall when you were out that.
You said what?
No, I said, yeah, you're right. That's what I was, what I analyzed when you were away. In other words, I'm agreeing with what you said, basically.
In my opinion, London session GG has not been it. Aside from Monday, Tuesday, we got in a buy, was in a range for a long time before it went in our favor. Wednesday, we was in a range too, and then we got out early, then we got back in, then we won. And then Thursday, which was yesterday, we was in a range for a while, and then we lost. If I take this thing again here, she better make me some money.
Mm-hmm.
Just send messages in the chat. Disappointment areas become less substantial than they are now. That's false, in my opinion. I wonder what gold is gonna do this morning, NFP.
touching your body. She no even trying, she got it. I be here beside you, anything I got you. You no play, all you do is shut down the runway. Looking dangerous like a gunplay. They all wanna grab you, on you like a tattoo. Hey, don't you fall like you no even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you for life. Sexy mind and body, you already got me now. Hey, you know like get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Hey, you know like get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Body moving, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. She can do it, get 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 it. So wild tonight. Waist beats are in motion, run our body. When you do it slowly, you take me for a ride, yeah. I go see you through together, baby. You scatter.
You got someone of our old most right, not all the time.
Don't you fall like you no even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you fall like sexy mind and body.
Good morning over here.
Good morning, Tanel.
Yeah,
You just joined?
yeah, just joined.
Anyone still in DJ trade?
Oh, anyone still in GJ trade?
Nope.
Yeah, my phone, my Discord was tripping earlier on the phone. But if you start crossing this entry again, I'll take it. Every time we got to 174, 200, 174, 180, that whole area we kept on rejecting. It's a strong zone. All right, I took it. Let's see what happens. If you start acting weird again, probably move my stop to entry again.
I took DJ cells.
Yeah, I did too. Everyone took it in Zoom or no?
Make it fire. Yeah, me no understand why you not here with me. Let me take it over for you.
I took it.
You've been out searching the wrong place. On your mind, only place that I wanna be.
You should at least feel the weight that he created.
Not just feel the wick, she should break it. And possibly even fill up before 4-hour week, but we'll see.
With this whole week that he taught us, hopefully. Hopefully.
And honestly, this week, aside from yesterday, GJ was really good to us though in New York. She didn't rain, she didn't do none of that.
Oh, tell me about it. Yes, that's true.
So if I go back to the 1 hour here, this was what I was saying earlier. We were talking about higher time frame. Oh, let's see the 30 minutes. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look at it 15. Yeah, we can do 15. I think tap that 15 minute time frame. So 30-minute demand time frame. That is where we are rejecting right now. But right now it's not enough for me to take a buy just because we are rejecting. I would like to see a retest and then a break of probably this resistance here. If that happens, if we can break above this resistance here, then gold should push back up. We might get back to this minor supply area, find rejection, pull back a little bit, and then start pushing up again. Right now, this is not enough confirmation for me to say, you know what, I'm gonna take a buy. So, like the 5-minute demand. GJ.
Ever danser, ever bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight lit, yeah. Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it with her, yeah. Don't need that drama.
Am I in gold? No, I'm not.
Be rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to
Yeah, I'm in GJ cells, but I'm not in gold.
On me, girl. We on the dance floor, we vibing. We in so deep like we mobbing. You got my temperature rising. No one like you, boo. Always keep it Honda when you move. They don't really want it with our crew. Don't need that drama, she calling your mama. Ooh, who that on the move? Me rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to feel upon your body, girl, you so addicted. She got that tsunami. When you there with me, can't be still. Don't you hurt nobody. You be alone if looks can't kill. Hey, for don't stay, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't stay, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't stay, for bouger. Don't say.
Yeah, it's insane. If it breaks above this triple top we have here, I'm exiting GJ. Count my losses short. Use the top of that week. Right there. Guys, see where the stop loss is, right? 174, 193. If it doesn't want to give me what I want.
Yeah, into me. I'm out of hey. All that these niggas do you know justice, you one of a kind. Seen you like twice, but you know what they say that this time is a charm. You probably heard it a lot, but baby, why you looking so fine? KMT to the haters. Girl, where you been? Hiding out all day. I've been having all these dreams that you'll be mine someday. Ever since I saw you last time, been a call away. Case down, yeah. So come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come. Won't you come here to me? Special. Attitude is out if you test though. You don't find this one on the net, oh. So don't test though. Hey, baby, you killing me small when you're smiling. Wanna explore your talents. Wondering where you've been. Hiding out all day. I've been having all these dreams.
If GJ eventually falls, like what she's doing now is just crazy.
Let's burn this place down, yeah. So come
After this huge rejection, it has to be.
You said what?
After,
Oh, you're talking about this? Yeah, if this candle rejects like this,
yeah,
and
you can't get that good enough of fall.
and we get a candle breaking this new lows, we should fall.
Yes. Just like that.
Because this previous candle is definitely a rejection candle. See how the wick is bigger than the body? That's a nice ass rejection candle. We'll see what she does. We're going back up again.
Game playing. Manipulation at its best.
I'm gonna just watch go here, USL. NAS right now, I'm not feeling NAS until we either break this support or we break above. Same with US oil.
Wanted gold to come back to 1980, 1980, 1982, 98 before it really head to the 1974. But you can leave me. Going right to the 1974 before.
Yeah. Yep, GJ still pushing up. Yeah, we might get stopped out here. It's almost out to stop us. Yeah, we're not looking. We might get a break here. Yep, stopped out. Yep, 10 pips. Yeah. Now this is looking like aggressive buying here now. Looks like she's ready to move and she wants to push up. I know, man. I'm starting off June real bad today. I mean, this month. What the hell? Sheesh, 4 losses. So good. If I didn't manage my risk like this still would have taken 20 pips from me. Sheesh. She's still not breaking. Right now, good. I'm just either expecting a rejection here or we broke below 1974. And if we reject, I'm gonna need a pull back to this demand zone before I take a buy. If she doesn't give me a retest at this demand, I'm just gonna wait for a possible sell continuation at this supply 1980 between 1981 and 1980 area.
Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl? Know you fine. Why you have to be so tough? Why you gotta be so tough? Got your own, but can tell you need some love. Yeah, feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you.
So let me quickly explain why I took a sell here, even though we took a loss. So we had a major resistance zone, and we just can't seem to break above the resistance, and we have support from here. So once we kept on rejecting here at this resistance, we started breaking this support here. I decided to take the sell, coming back down to 173,880 or 173,760. That's what I saw, and that's why I took the sell. So just an explanation why I took the sell right there. Because if we have multiple rejection at a major resistance, or it just simply means two things. We're either gonna have a trend change coming, or we're gonna have a pullback or a reversal, whatever you wanna call it. So whichever one it is, in my mind, I already know. Okay, if I take a sell here. Now the next low is at 173,880, 173,860. We should at least come back down there, and if we're gonna push back up again, we can push back up there or at 173.760, which is where I have the second TP at, where we took the sell. And if it had continued falling, I would have just got out at this swing low at 173,300. That would be where my final TP would have been. Well, GJ didn't want to fall, I guess. We're still rejecting it. And there's another resistance at 174.280.
Yeah, minor in resistance. It a reject off right, minor resistance.
Yeah, I'm gonna trade NFP on YouTube today. And I'm not taking nothing until after NFP is done. So meaning we're looking at 5, 10, 15 minutes after NFP.
That's what, 7:15?
No, 7:30. Yeah, it's two news actually. Forex Factory, but there's one at 7:15 and another one at 7. No, it's all 7:30.
Yes, 7:30. Three major news, but non-farmers employment, unemployment rate.
Might not do anything though, because last week nothing barely happened. I mean, not last week. Last month's NFP.
Starting to think that this goal rejecting right here.
Yeah, but I feel like even if this demand holds, like if you don't wait for a pullback back to the demand, it's risky because of this structure here to the left. That's why I want to wait for the pullback back to the demand, and then I'll take the buys. Because we can still, even if this demand holds here, we can still push back here where we have this bearish engulfing candle, pull back there and then start falling again and then break this low. So if we can reject here, pull back to this demand, I'll take a, and reject there, I'll take a buy. That's what we're waiting for. Look at GJ. Got back up there and freaking rejected again.
Stop loss hunting.
Man. These are the kind of trade that losses that hurts me the most, especially if the trade eventually goes my way. Twice, the body of the two candles did not close above this resistance. This month's NFP week crushed me. Not like last month's NFP week.
Always remember that is how the news operate within this month. Give you next monthly pay.
The trading conditions definitely is definitely for this NFP week is definitely not like last month's, especially with freaking GJ.
Considering to leave GJ for New York. GJ do a lot better in New York.
Actually, Monday obviously was very good, and then Tuesday was decent. It really started on Wednesday and yesterday, London session. real quick here, because a lot of people have been asking about my risk management, my lot size and stuff like that. So this is what I do. Now, so far for this week, so the balance I started with last week, definitely it's not the same anymore. I'm down. So since I'm down for this week, now if I take any more trades today, which obviously I will, because I'm down, I don't have the same amount as I had last week. Even though I still have money in my trading account, it's not the same. I need to bring my account back up. Since I need to bring my account back up, now I have to reduce my lot size. Now this is what I do. My lot size is usually between 30 to 50. On one account, I use this. This is on my main account, not the challenge and my funded account. So now I have these two. So now since I'm down on my two main accounts right now, I have to reduce my lot size until I get back up. Now once I get back up, I can start using my regular lot size again. Now these two lot sizes, these are the regular lot size that I use. Now on this one, there's 30. I'll reduce it to 20. This one there's 50. I'll reduce it to 40. Until I get back up. Now once I get back up, for example, let's say next week. Now next week, this is the two lot sizes I'll be using. This is the two lot sizes I'll be using. Once I get back up, now I can start using my regular lot size again. That is how I manage my account. Basically, when I'm down, like for this week, since I'm down, I don't have the same amount of money that I had last week, the balance that I had last week coming into this week. Now I don't have that anymore. It's down. I gotta reduce my lot size. Going into the next week, this is gonna be the lot sizes I'll be using. Now if I'm back up before the ending of next week, I can start using my regular lot size again. Or if I'm at break even from what I had previously from the previous week, I can go back to my regular lot size because I'm now back up. So that's what I usually do. And this lot size you guys is saying right here is nothing less than 5% of my account balance on both accounts. On my main account, I do not risk more than 5%, but I do recommend to everyone to only risk between 1 to 3% maximum, 3% maximum. But on my funded and the challenge account I'm doing right now, I'm only risking 0.5% because I cannot trade my funded and my challenge account as I will trade my main accounts. I can't do that. So this is the risk that I'm using from my funded and challenge accounts, and I'm down on all of them. So you got to understand all these things. And also, if a trade is not going your way, or if it's ranging, just manage your risk by cutting your losses short. If there is room for you to do that, sometimes there will be no room for you to do that. But if there is room for you to do that, just get out and cut your losses short, just like we did with the GJ trade. So I would have lost 20, but I ended up losing 10. For my partial close, I actually take 90%. I've said this before. So when I take a trade, I usually take it twice, meaning I twin trade. Now, since I twin trade, let's say my lot size, we go with 40. Now, since, right, I have two, so that's actually, since I have two positions running, I have 40 on one and 40 on the next one. So now once the first one gets to 10 pips, I do this just because sometimes when I take losses, sometimes it be like 20 pips, sometimes it be like 25, sometimes it be 15. Sometimes I get out early, so it all depends on the setup. So once I get to 10 pips, 10 plus pips, the first position that I have running, I'm taking 30. Excuse my drawing. I'm securing 30. That's 90% at 10 pips. The second one that I have running, I'm leaving that. I'm going to move both stop loss to BE. Once I take partials, even though I only took partials for one. Now the second one, once I get to 20 pips, then I will take partials at 20 pips. Now I have 3,000 here, and I have 9K. Oh no, not 9, 30. That's 6. That's 6K. Now I have 9K secured. So I have only 10 standard running. So I have 10% running on both of my accounts. The only difference is I took partials on one at 10 plus, then the second one I took partials at 20 plus. Stops has been moved to BE. Now once I get the first TP, I will set one TP for the first one, and then I'll have a TP2 for the second one. That's how I secure my partials. That's what I do. When I do that, there'll be times where we only secure 10 pips or 12 pips, and then we go stop top. So that means I only have one position secured, which is fine, because there will be a time where I'm going to be able to secure at least 20 pips, 30, 40, 50. So it's fine. I hope that helped you, DC. You say goodbye here. Yeah, it's fine, but I need to see a retest here before I jump in the buy. You're welcome. I'm gonna wait 30 to 45 minutes more here. If I don't take a trade, I'm gonna just call it a day and wait for one session. The NY session would at least let me make some profit today. This is the time beginner traders or even intermediate traders will start doubting themselves when they're taking losses. I feel like that's the mistake people do because you dwell on your losses. When you dwell on your losses, you're gonna start thinking negatively, and you're just gonna continue to keep taking on wrong trades, wrong setups. So don't dwell on your losses. However, how many losses you take, you've been winning before. You're still a consistent trader. Just because you're taking losses or you're in a winning streak, it does not mean you don't know how to do this. It comes with the territory. There have been times where we've taken 3 trades in a row, we won all 3. 2 trades in a row, we won. Maybe we took 3 trades, we won 2, we lost 1. In times we won 1, we lost 2. Or we win 1, we lost 1. At the end of the day, it's all about your consistency. Like, how was your month? Did you have profits in that month? Meaning, did you have more than what your initial balance was when you started that month? Did you withdraw some money for that month? If your answer is yes and shit, then you're doing good.
I ain't gonna be withdrawing this month.
we in June. Are you talking about last month?
No, I mean this month. I'm joking.
I mean, for me, I can withdraw if I want to, but when I don't make money in 1 week, I don't withdraw. Except if I have a freaking emergency and I don't want to get any money from my account, then I'll just take it from my trading account. Oh man, I need gold to come give us one more bearish candle and then maybe a flip of that candle and then take it above the highs. I know GJ might just freaking range at this until New York. All I know is she just better not fall. Ooh. Look at USL. What we got? Girlfriend candle. So give me a retest and let me take a sell. Oh man, gold is gone. She's not gonna give me what I want. What? Trading was the worst decision you've done in your life? Oh, damn.
Well, technically, gold is still a lower low and is creating a lower high, so it could still come down.
Yeah, it's possible. I would like to see that rejection at around 1982,
Yeah, the support area.
81, 1980 area.
Yeah, basically the support. Yeah, he hasn't tapped the support. I'm not doing anything.
Oh, you mean the supply?
As a supply, yeah. I mean, resistance and support, basically.
Yeah, resistance, yeah, as well. Mm-hmm. Usoil had a break of structure here. Break the structure. So I needed to reject either this support here, or we pull back to this supply reject, and now I'll look for sales coming back down to 70.050. So maybe USO will listen to me and give me that setup. The last time I had losses in a row like this, especially in the beginning of the month, was January. Ooh, January was tough. January was tough. Everton plays, man, I don't know what to say to that one. I don't know. But I mean, all I can say is don't give up.
Never give up.
Even your quote unquote Forex gurus, they all have losing streaks. They have when they have winning streaks, they have when they have losing streaks. They have when, it'll be, 50-50, win here, lose there, win here, lose there. And stuff like that happens because of market conditions. This month is not going to be the same as, last month. And this month is not going to be the same as, the next month. The market changes. The condition changes. How do one control grade and trade management? Because I look at it as being greedy. Yes, that's what it is. It's also you being greedy, because in my opinion, when you see that you're losing, or your balance is less than what it was initially, automatically you're supposed to reduce your lot size. Even if you have a small account. Especially if you're trying to get funded and you have a challenge account, like, you have to reduce your lot size until you get back up again. You just have to get back up, positive. Once you're positive again, and you can use whatever regular lot size you've been using. Just know what percentage you want to risk per trade.
Recommend 2%.
I've had a lot of people say that when it comes to your risk per trade, you're supposed to use your account balance. Like, for example, let's say you have $1,000 account size, right? If you risk 1% of $1,000, that's $10, right? That's $10. But that's not the right way to do it, because if you're saying you're risking 1% because your account balance is $1,000 and your stop loss, for example, is 20 pips. Since your stop loss is 20 pips, you're gonna lose $200. You're gonna lose $200.
Yep.
That's not 1%.
Just like that.
That's not 1%. You've lost 2% of your account. Hold on, is
because
that 2% or 20%? Because 1%,
20.
huh?
the 20%.
Yep, that's
20.
that's 20%, not 1%.
Because King,
Mm-hmm.
they not calculate the lot size. It's like they always have a set aim. A set aim, then they calculate the stop loss. They have a set stop aim lot size. Like they always say, all right, one lot size. But your lot aim, you always have to calculate the stop loss with it.
Yeah. So if you know stuff like that, like it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard to blow your account if you know how to trade. So calculate your risk based on your stop loss, not account balance. That's my own opinion. I mean, we just did an example here, so if you don't know, now you know. Upgrade my strategy. What the hell? I don't need to upgrade my strategy.
Just because you have a losing day, you have to upgrade this strategy.
I'm not upgrading nothing.
But you have a losing day, you're supposed to upgrade the strategy.
Not upgrading nothing. Man, GJ, go this, don't want to give me nothing. We'll see if USO will give me something here. And I can take a quick nap possibly before New York Open. Ugh. You see, even though we started off this month rough, we're still gonna close this month in profit. Just wait and see. Just wait and see. Especially to those people talking trash right now. Just wait and see.
Even with all these losing trade yesterday, right? Your account not supposed to be blown if you're doing the right thing. You can't look like. I remember in my trading journey, I had like 1 month straight losses. That was early, like first year, one solid month. I've never blown a trading account from the day I was trading until today. Because the first thing I learned about trading was risk management before I even learned the charts. So like I have like 1 month total losing trade and I still didn't blow the account. It was down heavily though. And then like the other month is like it didn't even happen.
Wait, you said 1 month of losing?
Yeah, like that was like my first year in trading. So you know all that experience, every signal I see I want to jump on them. But my risk management was good.
Let me put this here before they think we're in Usoil.
You don't turn on me now. You know don't get no time for me now, babe. Got him on a rebound, but it's only you that I like, babe. Tout ce que j'ai fait c'était pour toi. Sur le haut parle mais t'écoutes pas. Tu me vois crever mais tu bouges pas. Pourquoi? Whoa, yo, wall up. You can't even get the scores up. For us, I don't know what's up with our love. You forgetting all about us. Oh, my jolie, oh my jolie. Where you been? When I need you the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting. Girl, you got me. This is more than bluffing. Made you something, now you talking. I call you bluffing. Telling me to cool it off. How can I cool it off?
When you have a small account and you look at your account by the end of the month, and you, for whatever reason, let's say it was a bad month, and you grew that 100 to 200 for the whole month, that's still 100% gain in 1 month. I just wish every single traders, especially new traders, will stop looking at the money.
Yeah, for real. Even if they do the percentage, that's way better than the money.
Just stop looking at the money, because if you're looking at the money and you grew $100 to $200 in 1 month, you'll be like, oh, damn, in 30 days, like I only made $100. I don't know what you're talking about. That's 100% gain. Your bank is not even gonna give you that.
Even fund managers, they only make 10% a year on the, entire fund.
Yeah, like hedge fund companies.
Yeah.
Look, as lucrative as real estate is, you never, ever, until this world is no more, ever gonna see 100% freaking return in 30 days in real estate. It's never gonna happen. And you get that with trading in 30 days, and you wanna beat yourself down that you're not doing too well, you could have done better. What the hell? Stop it. Just don't look at the money. Look at the percentage gain. I like the fact that this candle is breaking below the previous low, the previous candle, but I need us to start breaking above this bullish candle. That's where I'm going to take a sell at US 30. I say US 30, US oil, and I'm gonna call it a day after that. What the hell? Why is it? What the hell is going on? Why is my screen just moving on its own? What did I press? Wow, look at GJ now. What's going on here? Okay, you know what? I don't know what I did. Let me refresh this. Go back to normal. Still loading. Switch it. must have pushed something, you know. She should have fell from where we took that entry. And now she wants to fall.
It was the entire stop loss hunting.
Yep. Some people will say, oh, your stop loss was too small.
No, but in a year, you know, you cut it short, you know. Because me not get stop out as in. Me still earning a profit.
Okay. So you stayed in.
No, me have an earlier entry and me protect me stop because this happened to me yesterday. In the early part GU where they hold me stop. So me just protect me stop above the resistance. I feel like me I go hold that trade.
Even if I stayed in this, the bullish candle would have stopped me out because my initial stop loss was above this resistance here, so it would have waked me out. They just had to go back up, grab liquidity, and push price back down. They just had to do that. Yeah, she came for the Excel.
And then still I anticipate the 172 835 support. So I think I'm going to hold this one, choke that news.
Alright, looks like NAS is ready to move here. Oh man, good didn't give me what I was looking for. Usoil does not want to fall. She's not gonna fall. All of a sudden now everything wants to move. All right. This candle is going to close bullish. Well, I guess we'll be looking for buys now if we close above. Wow. See how the freaking fake sellers in right here once we rejected the supply, fake sellers in and push price up the other way. Yeah. There's no way in hell I would have taken buys right there. I was more interested in sales because of these zones here. Well, freaking consolidation, but man, the bullish volume came from nowhere. Okay, entry before we get to 72.050. Got a nice clean candles to the left. If we break 72.050, nice until we get to 72.600. All these previous lower highs. If USO does not give me an entry, I would like to see, let's see, I would like to see, let's go back to the 1 hour here. No, 30 minutes actually, let's see something. Yeah, so I would like to see if I do not get an entry here, meaning I need a pullback before I take a buy. If this thing just continues pushing up, I would like us to have at least clean candles, right? And then there could be possible sales, which is going to be a retracement all the way back down to possibly this 5-minute demand that we have, because now we have a break of structure, right? We have a break of structure now, and where we could retest is either this resistance, 1 hour resistance, or this 5-minute resistance right here. We might not even come back and tap this demand. So we'll see what happens. Right now we just need either a retest, like I said, of this resistance, or back to this demand, or this 5-minute resistance. That's all I need. Now take it by. I know I'm probably gonna leave gold alone until NFP at this point, since I couldn't take these buys.
Yeah, girl, you looking better than the photos. Need more of your time, so I'm watching you in slow-mo. Yeah, it doesn't really matter when it comes to you, yeah. I can with you with together, I can never get enough of you, yeah. Say what you want from me, baby, what you want from me, yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company, sitting on the top with me, yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah. Yeah. She got that vibe, she got that go. Oh. She mesmerized.
I'm gonna wait till 4:30 here. Should we do it all nighter till NFP?
I be right beside you when you're lonely. How you be swinging with that body, put it on me. Won't you be the body in my story? She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me?
Oh man, look.
Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah. Yeah. Girl, I can give you the time of your life.
This see if this thing loads. This month lost a total of 15 pips with this freaking GJ trade.
King GJ really did the dirt.
I'm telling you, man.
Look at that.
I mean, I'm not really that mad though, because I mean, it eventually went my way. If anything, it just lets me know that I took the right trade, even though it was a loss. So at least my analysis wasn't wrong. Wait a minute. One, two. Yeah, that's 4 losses. Okay. Yeah, I've lost a total of 15 pips this one.
OMG, GJ? OMG, I just
Yeah.
held up my head and look at that.
I know, right? And we
We're
took
still in. Yeah, still in.
Wait, you're still in?
Yeah, I held it for the first time. I wrote to Nell and I said, I'm holding this one.
Wow.
I'm about to take my profit now, though. Just leave a little tiny piece to run. You know, I don't have the stomach for this.
Where was your stop loss though, Sophia?
Yeah, that's what
I know, but I still want to take my profit. Mm-mm.
No. He was asking where was your stop loss at?
Exactly. Like Tanel and Sophia, where was your stop loss? Just mind me asking.
Tanel, tell him please. I'm taking profit over here.
You see, my stop loss I did 174.336. My entry I did 174.080.
Let me move up that stop.
Yeah, that a while ago. Stop loss I did 174.336.
Even if I stayed in this, I still would have been stopped out. This bullish candle would have wicked me out. I mean, the setup was there. Like we should have, after this multiple rejections, here like 4 rejections, we went back up again and did the 5, 6, 7, 8 freaking times. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 touches here at this resistance again. And this is all I wanted to do. Just freaking get out at, not get out, just like anticipate at least we get back to this first support and possibly even break it and reject at 173,760 and push back up again. And we can still push back up here at 173,860. The setup was this, it just, I don't know. Hector said no SL gang.
Yeah, but the whole reason behind my change still in it. They say entry and then have the stop loss above the 4 hour resistance.
Oh, wait, you had it above the 4-hour resistance. Let's see.
Yeah, that's why I'm protect the stop loss. So my stop loss.
The 4-hour resistance, correct?
Oh, okay, yeah, because you have another resistance at 174,280, so your stop loss was above that.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I say yes.
Wow.
But my entry was like 174.08. So that are like 25 pips.
I got in later though. I got in at 174.03. So that's where I got filled.
174.03. Yeah, that was yeah, that was where we got into.
That's where I got filled. Yeah, I got filled there, but I still held the same stop loss as he did. I'm like, you know what? If I get stopped out, so what? I'm just gonna be a big girl today.
Yeah, I have to calculate the risk too. Mine was just
I was busy.
$4,000 loss.
I was so busy over here doing my own thing, like fixing something on the computer. So I'm like, you know what? It's what it is. At least
Why but us, Sophia and
I haven't had any really true losses this week. So I mean, if I went down that much, I mean, would have been giving back some, but I was willing to take the risk. But of course, I didn't calculate it for sure. I just have one running though, just one. I want to see what it does in that.
By the end of this month, you guys will look at June and be like, man, and to think we started off June.
Yeah.
Bad. Gigi was just annoying today. When we took the set, that's when she should have fell. Like, right there.
Gigi,
just
every day since week. Every day this week, DJ did that here.
I don't know, except, New York session, she was good this week, aside from yesterday. And London session, this week, Monday, GJ was amazing. Tuesday, I was okay. We made money on it on Tuesday. It was Wednesday, yesterday, and now today. So 3 days in a row today. I mean, this week.
Why go look like you want?
But overall, let me see something here.
90 portion left. Until I size down, I only have 0.10 hanging out there. So I feel better now.
I don't know why my USR is not showing on this yearly stats. Guess I gotta do something. Anyways, overall right now, oh man, this was down to like, overall my win rate on GJ right now is at 68%. This was at like 74 last week. Gold we had 77 and NAS 74. We took 87 trades on NAS, 267 on gold, and 138 on GJ. I mean, overall, she still made some money. I don't know why Usoil is not.
Today.
Guess what? Overall, my best session so far has been New York session. 77% we at New York, London 72, pre-London 68, pre-New York. We only took one trade this year pre-New York. So far, looks like New York session has been my best month, my best year so far. Let me see.
Like GJ support in a whole up at 1980, 1978 zone instead of the other one.
People in here. See. Okay, to take it, so I'm good. GJ rejected that support. See what's all doing. Oh, she's going back up. On MT5, how do you take partials? I mean, on your phone, I don't know, what kind of phone do you have? Because I have an iPhone. If it's Android, then said, I'm sorry, I can't help you. I don't have an Android phone. So I don't know how you do it on Android. Oh, Android, no. I don't know how you do it on Android. I don't have an Android phone. You took Gbpjpy's crypto core? I'm leaving GJ alone until New York. If gold decides to break these highs, I'm done.
Someone took a Gbpjpy?
Yeah.
It's kind of risky over there.
Man, I wanted to get in on the NAS buy, but it just didn't set up and it flew.
Yeah, Usoil flew too.
Yeah.
But if she retest somewhere here, I might get in for the buy and ignore. Because Usoil is gonna make me more money than goodwill. So for 2 hours after London Open, Usoil and NAS just freaking ranged.
Import. Imports. Mm-hmm.
Every time when it's getting close to take a trade, that's when I have to go use the vessel. Can't hold it anymore. I'll go use the vessel, guys. I can't hold this anymore.
King, are you ready to take gold sales?
Can you repeat? Didn't hear that.
Are you ready to take gold sales?
Once more.
I think he meant to take the gold sales, but not yet. It hasn't reached the that range yet.
Oh, so he's not in, basically.
No, nobody's in.
Oh,
He said he just. King said he every time he wants to take the trade, he needs to go to the restroom.
Oh.
Won't you be my number one? Number one A, number one, number one A, number one, number one A, number one. Yeah, me like it. How she moving real slow when she pulling me close. Me like it. When we kiss and make up, she be getting paper. Me like it. Girl, that body so tight, gonna be a long night. Me like it. Baby, me no chaser. Nothing can replace us, okay, yeah. Up, and away we go. I can never find nobody like you, my baby, oh. Hit him one time, yeah. She no play no game, you know. I can never find no hottie like you, my baby, oh. Would you Won't you be my number one? Number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one. Won't you be my number one? Number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one. Nothing but number one.
If gold breaks these highs right here, I'm gonna end this stream. The link to my trading journal is in the description. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna see any break of structure this session until New York session. Good my push up. So Anyone took buys on GJ? USL, okay. What are you trying to do, USL? Ready? 40 pip range.
Yeah, I think it's gonna range for a while until New York. I'm gonna head out.
I'm gonna wait to see what Usoil is gonna do.
There's a lot of range to fill on the left though for US oil, so yeah, I was waiting for that, but I can't wait any longer. it's taking a while. Yeah, the left is all the way down, so it's all the way up. So, but yeah, we need volume. There isn't any right now.
I mean, if I take the buys, I mean, I'll send it to Discord anyways.
Sure. Yeah, I'm waiting for that also.
It's just that if you're here, you get a better entry.
Yep.
Fix this man of the main. I am done.
Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love.
Forget about Go South.
Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur.
But goal never reach your intended in demand area.
Yeah, they won at 1980, 1982. I mean, there is another one here, but I don't think she's gonna reject her now.
Gonna reject that one there. Well, we go to the 1983 one.
Yeah. At this point, I think that's where she's heading to.
Sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type. Nothing else matching your type. Yeah. Oh, I feel the
So I'll have a Usoil buy. Why is this not showing? Start booking that high. I have TP1 here for 30. TP2 here for 40. And leave something off until we get to 75, 582. If she gives me a buy entry from here, see what Usoil is gonna do. This could hold, or we could even come all the way back down to 70.980 and reject from there. But if this doesn't hold right here, that's it for me today. I'm gonna just wait until NFP.
I'm gonna go grab dinner. Screw this.
All right.
Good luck, everybody. See you at New York.
All right.
Okay.
I will
See you in New York.
enjoy dinner.
Thank you. Thank you.
Damn, that's crazy. It's a night over there, and we just said early morning. I'm kind of getting tired too, but I'm trying to see what Usoil is gonna do here. So, what I'm gonna be doing from now on, just to help you guys out, is if we're taking the trade, I'm gonna let you guys know what the stop loss is. For example, if we take a buy here on Usoil, depending on how the first bullish candle closes, for now we have 30 pip stop loss. So you know the correct lot size to use based on what percentage you're willing to risk. Those of you in the Discord, you guys saw how much I lost yesterday, right? But I'm not gonna cry about it because I've made that in one day before. Shit, I've made more than that in one day before, so it's not me.
Yeah, I saw that, King. But I also I was doing the math on that. I'm like, you know what? King could recover this in a day. Yeah, because I did the math.
The GJ we took, let's see, how many pips today? Let's see, the GJ that we took, if it had went our way, so that would have at least made 10, 15 grand on this GJ.
Mm-hmm. Yep. GJ can play dirty sometimes.
Yeah. Yes, today, yes, today's stream will be on YouTube. Because it's NFP. I only go live on Down New York on NFP. Every other time it's private.
Oh yeah, the session on YouTube.
YouTube and Zoom. Oh, Rico. Tanel. There's someone on YouTube, Rico.
Yes.
He wants to get in contact with you. Are you watching YouTube?
No, not on YouTube.
Let me get on right now. I'll do that for you.
Yeah.
Give him his Instagram at least, I guess.
YouTube. I'll get right on for you.
You see, good should head back to 1983 at this point.
I have to log back in. This silly thing. It's because I'm using two computers.
GJ, if we didn't have this resistance here, this craziness going to the left right here, if this candle closes bullish, I'll be taking a buy.
And which one?
Huh?
And which one?
GJ.
Show you how to quickly
No, not like right now. I'm saying if the structure to the left was different, then I'll take a buy. But a buy is very risky right now based on the structure we're looking at to the left.
Yeah, because remember you're near to the resistance as well.
All right, that's it for me, guys. Yeah, looks like Usoil is gonna continue down here probably to 70.980, or this back all the way back down to this demand, and we can see it push up again.
King,
all right, huh? Yeah.
King, before you go, mention to Rico he reach out for IG at Tunnel Samuda.
Yeah, Sophia said she's sending it now.
No, the thing is, I don't see the chat anymore. Did you close it out?
On YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
No, you just go to YouTube, you'll see the chat. Oh, it's on the comment section now.
I'm there, but I'm in your session there because it was there all morning, but it's not there anymore.
Try refreshing YouTube, maybe. See, well, this is what the market does sometimes. Like we didn't get all the way back to at least back to the supply before we start falling again. But right now we're trying to fill this gap right here to the left, especially since we broke below this minor support here. She should come back down to this resistance right here or this demand, and then push back up again. See what happens during the New York session.
I'll catch him in New York.
Did you send? Okay. Oh, yes. Okay.
I was saying with Rico, we could catch him in New York because.
Tell him to reach out in New York.
Kill that bit, sent it on YouTube. Kill that bit, sent it on YouTube. All right, guys. I'll see you guys during New York NFP, and let's see what happens.
Yeah, later.
Okay. Hope it works out for us.
Yeah.
Good luck to us. Good luck, King.
Recording stopped.
All right, YouTube. I'll see you guys in a few hours. It's gonna be. I'm gonna start at 7 a.m. CST, and you guys will get the notification. So, I'll see you guys later. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down myself.